Welcome to another Bedtime and Beyond Learning Kit video. This time we'll be talking about the tracking sheets folders in your learning kit. The tracking is a really important part of Braille reading because it's the mechanics of Braille reading. In order for Braille to be read, fingers have to be moving across it. And if a child doesn't have an opportunity to be around a lot of Braille readers, child wouldn't know how to do that. And tracking sheets are a really great tool to help us teach our kids. My favorite of the tracking sheet is the alphabet song. On the alphabet song, we see we have each letter of the alphabet in the song in order, and between them are what we call lead in and lead out lines. That is to help keep fingers on the Braille line and not go, not drift up or down. So that's where it just helps us do that. The thing I love so much about this tracking sheet is that it's meaningful. It's a song, we can sing it, and sighted parents who don't know the alphabet can, and also siblings, friends, can help support, because the first line is A, B, C, D. So you might not know that's a D, but it's the last letter on the line, so it's a D. And the letters do have a space in front and behind them too. And then the second line is E, F, G, then nothing. Third line, H, I, J, K. Fourth line, L, M, N. The fun, O, P. Sixth line, Q, R, S. Next line, T, U, V, very bottom. W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? The other tracking sheets have different symbols in the middle, and it's great to have a child call out something, found it, or wee, or boom, anything they like when they find that. And again, we're trying to keep them on the line, but those little symbols to find are fun. And then we say, boom, we found it. That's really fun. Another part of your tracking sheet kit is a Braille contraction poster. You'll want to use the one that's black and white. On the back, there's a color one, but this is what we call old Braille. In 2016, the United States moved to this new Braille, Unified English Braille. Not a whole lot of difference. There are 9 more contractions in old Braille than we have now, because some of the contractions dropped out for different reasons. But otherwise, it's very much the same. And this is our Braille cheat sheet. So if you're reading with your child, for instance, the snowy day, and you see, wait, there's a contraction, there are parentheses around the day, and what is day? What does that mean? And then I can look alphabetically, D, day, and it's a .5D. So, okay, that makes sense, that's day. This poster has the contractions, but it doesn't have the rules for the contractions. So, so sometimes a contraction will or won't be used, even though you think it should, but that's okay. Please ask your service provider, your EI provider, early intervention provider. This is just a door opening. It's not the whole game, but it's a door opening, and it can help you support your child. Oh my gosh, I have no idea what that is. The key is, of course, using those highlighted contraction sheets that are connected with QR codes with each of the books, and you can look where that contraction is in the word, and can help start build that knowledge for yourself as well as, of course, for your child. We hope you have a great time learning and having fun with your child. Have a great day. Bye-bye.